Learnoflix. You have been hearing about Learnoflix. You have been seeing the ads everywhere on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, and I've also seen some ads on TikTok. So what's Learnoflix? I know you've been hearing about Learnoflix affiliates, and all of that. So what is Learnoflix all about? Is Learnoflix real? Is it a scam, or is Learnoflix actually helping people? I mean, helping real people. So if you watch to the end of this video, you're going to understand everything about Learnoflix, what they are doing, if it's a scam, if it's genuine, and if people are actually, you know, making money from being an affiliate on Learnoflix platform. So just take me to the end of this video. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. I create amazing videos of online marketing, business, entrepreneurship, make money online and life. If this is your first time on this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification sign, and if you've gotten value from this video, drop a comment in the comment section, like, and also share this video. So what is Learnoflix all about? Learnoflix affiliate. So Learnoflix affiliate is a platform where you can earn an extra side income from selling other people's digital products, from selling programs and a whole bunch of other things. So basically, it's an affiliate marketing platform where several affiliates, several people, entrepreneurs, normal people, beginners, some people that don't even know about digital marketing, and also where you see experts selling digital products. And there are so many testimonials from Learnoflix. So many people that benefit from Learnoflix. I've benefited from Learnoflix. I've made so much from Learnoflix. People have bought my courses also on Learnoflix, and people also promoted my courses also on Learnoflix. So Learnoflix is a great platform for you to get started if you want to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you get to recommend a product or a service to someone that you know or someone that you don't know. So it doesn't matter if you know the person or all of that. It's all about recommending a product or a service to someone else and then getting a commission from, you know, recommending that product or service. So once a person or customer buys the course or buys whatever thing you're promoting, you're going to get a cut from that purchase. So sometimes some courses on Learnoflix you get up to 40%, 30%, 50%, depending on the particular product that you're promoting. So it's more like you sign up on the platform. Once you sign up, you get started with selling other people products, other people's digital products. So it's basically mostly digital products that is on Learnoflix affiliate that you can promote. There are several digital products you can promote, from digital marketing to copywriting to e-commerce to digital currency to crypto. There are a lot of digital products that you can promote on Learnoflix. So Learnoflix does not only, you know, give you the opportunity to make money from the platform, they give you the opportunity to learn and grow, because it's all about developing your skill and honing your skill. Because as an entrepreneur or an upcoming entrepreneur or someone that wants to, you know, make money in the online space, that wants to get started with digital marketing, you need to develop certain skills if you don't have those skills. So let's say you're a beginner and you just join, for instance. Is it possible for you to make money? Yes, it's possible, but you also know that, or you also need to recognize the fact that you would need to learn certain skills. If you don't know how to run ads, how can you make money? If you don't know how to, you know, put your products in front of people, in front of your audience, maybe your free traffic from WhatsApp or from Facebook or Instagram, how are you going to promote the product? So there are certain skills you need to build up before you say you start making money. But you can start making money, depends. So for someone that's getting started, making 1, 2, 3 sales shouldn't be hard, but there are some basic skills that you need to grow. Sort of like copywriting, understanding how to persuade people with writing, not just copywriting, website building, SEOs, and all that. And the best thing about it is Learnoflix is going to teach you all these things for free, because they hold Zoom sessions probably every week, and I think mostly 2 to 3 times a week, or I think is it every day a week. And also, apart from that, they hold physical training. So it's not just an online charade that you just see online stuff online. No. They hold meetings physically in different states. They've done in Lagos, in Abuja, in Port Harcourt. So they hold physical conference, physical meetings and everything. So you're going to develop a whole lot of skills from Learnoflix affiliates, and it's going to help you more, especially if you want to start a business and start promoting your business. At least you know the basics of selling, of getting people to buy from you, of, you know, branding yourself and getting your product in front of the right people. So don't think that Learnoflix is just available only in Nigeria. No, Learnoflix is available in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Kenya, I think also in Cameroon. In fact, they are expanding to other African countries. So it's not just something that's going to go anytime soon. People would keep making money from Learnoflix and making an impact through Learnoflix and helping other people. So it's something that's going to stay here for a while, because from what I'm saying, Learnoflix will keep increasing, keep growing, affiliates will keep increasing, and they have close to 20,000 affiliates on Learnoflix platform. So it's a great way for you to get started in the online space. So now let's go to Learnoflix website. So this is learnoflix.com. If you want to get started, there's a link in the description box that can help you get started with, you know, earning from Learnoflix, registering, setting up your account and everything. So this is Learnoflix website. As you can see, they have 60k users, 20k affiliates, and they have paid over 200 million. And the best part is you get to learn over 14 skills on Learnoflix. So if you come here, you need to watch these videos. I'm going to drop a link in the description box so you can get to know more about it. And if you want to talk to me personally, there's a Telegram group, Online Business Titans. Join it, and I'm also going to talk to you. Just tell me you're part of the group and I'll attend to you. So what you'll be getting when you get started on Learnoflix, you get full access to 30 days income challenge program. So here you're going to learn 14 unique digital skills with done for you format. So they're going to hold your hand and all of that. And the value for this is like $97. And we also have, they said, access to proven methods or proven money generating blueprint called Make Money in 48 Hours Blueprint. So you also be getting this, the 2ML 48 blueprint, and it's $197. And this is just a copy and paste model. And we also have here the free LAP membership account where you can promote 6 different kinds of products and earn massive commission from doing that. And here you see that it's $97. And you also have weekly coaching call with 7-figure coaches, 7-figure earners on the platform, with also the founder of the platform, Sam Harvard, weekly coaching sessions. And I don't see most affiliate platforms doing this. There are several affiliate platforms in Nigeria. I don't see them doing this. And you can see $497 that's the value for this. Don't be scared. And you can see also you get access to our help community on Telegram and Facebook, where like-minded entrepreneurs are waiting to answer all the questions and help you succeed by every means. You are never alone on LP. So once you get started, you're going to join the Telegram community. I think the Telegram community has close to about 10k members, 10k people in that group, most of which people are getting results. I can see people doing that same thing. And not just that, they have Facebook group and other things where you can meet up with other affiliates. So not just, it doesn't end in the Telegram, it doesn't end in Facebook. They still have physical meetings where you can meet and get to, you know, connect with other affiliates and get to find out what are they doing that are giving them results and all of that. So you have here access to special money secret training that will ensure you succeed on the platform and all of that. So they are going to be giving you intensive training and all of that. So you can see the total value for this is $1,982. But here's the catch: you can only get started for $100. So with $100, you can get started with Learnoflix. And I heard the price is going to go up. I wonder why. Why is price going up? Like, so it's better you can just you know, get started quickly before it gets higher. I think it was less than this before. I think they reduced it. There was a time they did a promo and they reduced the price down, and now it's back up to $100. And I think it might even increase this price again. So if you want to get started, click get started now. And don't worry about that. I'll just drop a link in the description box. I can just click and it will help you get started and all of that. So here, these are testimonials from people that have gotten results. You have Kenny Woke that moved from $20 to making over $4,000 in 7 days.
$4 in my first 11 months as an online entrepreneur to earning over $4,000 in 7 days. And this is my story.
So we have another one. We have Coach Ine Joseph from. So we have another one, Coach Ine Joseph He made from 250, he went from $250 job to a millionaire in just a few weeks.
So I started the online marketing space in February 2021 this year. It was funny how I came into the online marketing space, considering the fact that I finished my NYSC in July 2019. Between 2019 to 2021, I was earning between 5K monthly to 40K. Now,
so you can watch all this later. We have David, who is earning over $10,000 on Learnoflix, and his own story. He went from borrowing 10K to making over 5 million on Learnoflix.
Literally begging for 10,000 naira to travel back in December last year.
So there are other people that are getting results from Learnoflix, not just these people that are earning big, not just the money, the value, and you can watch all these testimonials from. There are so many testimonials from real people that are making money from.
The last 30 days have been so amazing and fulfilling at the same time. I mean, I was able to build my website. I built my website, as in I couldn't believe it.
So Learnoflix will teach you a whole lot of skills: website building, how to build blog, how to write a book, a whole lot of skills that you can learn here when you become a Learnoflix affiliate member. So let's check out our Instagram account. So you can see here. So this is Learnoflix official account. You can see. So this is one of the conferences, 40 Streams conference, and you can see here that. So this is from one of their conferences, 40 Streams conference, and you can check out their Instagram page and you can see what they have been doing. So if you get started with, you can see more testimonials from different people. There are a whole lot of testimonials. I can't just keep playing them. There are so much of them. There are so many testimonials. So look at the 10 top skills that you can learn on Learnoflix. These are like the 10 top skills. There are other skills apart from this. You're going to learn copywriting, which is worth over $1,000. You're going to learn presentation skill. You're going to learn sales funnel building, email marketing. You're going to learn social media marketing. You're going to learn search engine optimization, content creation, website development, WhatsApp marketing, and sales and closing. So for me, this is a good deal because you're getting value for your money and you're able to make more money. Not just making more money, you're able to help other people make money, help other people build their skills, hone their skills. But let's face it, this world is going, like everything is digital, everything is online. And if you have a business, it's not online, this would help you position yourself and your business. Because if you start doing affiliate marketing right now, you would have, that experience and that courage and strength to take your business online, because you know how to run ads, you know how to brand, you know how to place, you know how to get an audience, you know how to create content. Say content is king. You know how to, draft a copy that would persuade people to buy whatever you're selling. And this sales or selling skills is like one of the most important skills for everyone to have, whether you're an entrepreneur or not. Even if you're working a 9-to-5 job, if you have some sort of skills that has to do with sales, you'd know how to, relate with other people at work and come out like the top G. So if you want to get started with Learnoflix, there's a link down there. Click the link in the description box and to get started with Learnoflix if this is what you want to do. There are other platforms. I know there are Expertnia, there's JVZoo and ClickBank. I would even want you to try ClickBank. Try what is in your own, what is close to you, and what you can get and interact with people around you to help build whatever you're doing or to help build your skill. So I would suggest that you find an affiliate marketing platform that is close to you, that it is not just online, that you can meet them face to face and they can hold you by your hand and help you get the results that you want to get. So get started with whatever I want to get started with. If you want to get started with Learnoflix, I'll leave a link in the description box. So if you want someone to guide and to coach you, there's a link in the description box, Telegram link to join the Online Business Titans. So just join that group and send me a message. Tell me that you're a member of that group and you just got started with Learnoflix and you want to help, or you want to see how I can help you get some certain results, and then maybe you can get started with something. If you have gotten value from this video, do not forget to like, share, or drop a comment in the comment section. If you want to talk about something, if you have tips and others, maybe questions, you don't understand something, just put it down in the comment section and I'll just drop a feedback for you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification sign, And do not forget to like and share this video. So I'd like you to check these other videos if you want to watch more testimonials about Learnoflix.